If you practice well, then I'm happy to sacrifice anything, even my life for you. Then I'll be happier. Yeah? Happier. You walk like this so you don't bump into people. Okay? Okay? I wish you have good business. If I happen to find the recipe somehow, yeah, I send it to you. I will ask for the bakery person. Yeah? Maybe if I don't remember your name. It's okay.
I learned about them. Thank you, Master.
Thank you. Bye-bye. I go sleep. Sleep well. Spoons are not enough. I find some spoons for you. Here, look at that.
Spoon.
Even if you don't have enough spoons, you can have forks, you know? That's why I didn't invite people. Too many, I don't have enough equipment. Come here. Here, more spoons. Spoons, forks. Sit down, lay down, stand down. Be careful, huh? This is a small area, that's why it's difficult to invite people.
Enough spoons.
Huh?
They have enough spoons.
No.
Yes.
Everybody one spoon.
They got the small spoon.
Small spoon is enough.
I think so.
Everybody has enough, really?
Have a big spoon as well.
Okay. More ice cream, Thai. Share, okay?
Yeah.
More ice cream.
Share.
Take a big spoon. Carrot.
You don't have to. Scoop in one hand.
Take a big spoon.
Are you gone now? You okay? Nothing. Hello, goodbye. Ice cream, bread. Try. Here is the blood. Hello? Oh, here's the blood. Blood. Yeah, the blood if you want. Okay, now, the ice cream is too hard. Come on, begin. Quickly. Hold on. Melted in your heat of excitement. Love? That's a dog. The dog. You know about him already. Hey, the cameraman and all that must also share, huh? Don't just eat all while they're working, huh? Somebody can hold the camera. After you eat, you hold the camera. Just stand still like that. Then the camera and the light people can eat. Huh? I think I have more. Oh, I have. Camera people, don't worry. How many?
2.
How many workers? 3.
3.
3 workers and 3 on the there?
Yeah.
I saved 6 for you.
Thank you, Master.
Yeah. Good, huh? All the way from Taiwan. Very special. Money can't buy. Good, huh, baby? Bread, drop it here. Let's go where. So much bread, my God, they're feeding the whole village. This is for the working team, okay? I'm putting it back inside so it won't melt.
Thank you, Master.
Thank you.
Meanwhile, you can drool while working. That's the thing, you know, somebody has to work. I do it. I'm grown up, Mama. I'm grown up. Okay, one more. 6 people, huh?
Yes. Thank
3
you.
behind here and 3 in front, huh? 5, whatever. Okay, I save it for you here. Okay, remember, ask me. Ice cream, okay?
Yes.
Let's go. This is for them, huh? Okay. After ice cream, there's something else. Tell me when you're finished. You don't have any? Come.
Fruity.
Have your own. Buddha. Have a spoon, my spoon. You give them spoons, okay? If you don't have one, I have. That's a fork. Come here. Huh?
I've never seen you without high heels. You're so cute.
I know. I told you if I stand up or sit down, it's similar. You didn't believe me.
Who's the white doggy in your cabin, Master?
Well, what?
The white doggy.
Love.
That's love.
Beetles. No. They have two here and you have two here. Why do you share everything?
On this back.
Anybody else?
Yeah, return it, man.
Return it quickly.
Some people didn't eat. Here. Here, some more. Here. Yeah. Here. Cat. Cat. The working team eats later. I saved it here for you. Ice cream, honey. Okay, I prepare a little bread with vegan mayonnaise, okay? Good one, very special, beautiful.
So delicious.
Huh?
So delicious.
Good, huh?
Thank you.
Good. Huh? What are you doing?
Looking at the name.
Then you can save the box if you want. Anybody who didn't have?
Everybody.
I mean, where's your sister?
She's working.
Oh, she wasn't here today?
And now she's working.
Can you save it somehow? I don't know how. You can't even drink after it melts. Oh. Yeah, big mama. Anybody who already finished ice cream, come here. Lucky we only 20 people. Last time I had 200, 300 or 200 something. They're sitting on my toilet in my dog house, under my bed, on top of my bed, standing outside, inside, climbing on trees. Hey, come. Don't touch my hand, okay? Don't touch into my food. I mean your food.
Don't touch.
Everybody just come one by one and take your stuff. Don't touch my hand, okay? Because I have to keep it clean.
There's one Indian lady who didn't come
Tell her to come. Where is she? Why didn't she come?
because the meditation hall went all dark and then she was.
Okay, then not too bad.
Okay,
Come on.
excuse me.
Indian karma. Come here. Don't touch my hand, okay? Need to keep clean. Just for fun, all right?
Thank you.
I can't feed you the whole meal. Just for
This
fun.
is enough.
There we go. Yeah. You have it? Good. Nice, huh?
Delicious.
I just tasted it the other day and I thought, wow, I don't know if I have enough for the Westerners, but today I'll try it. And whoever has, it's good. Who don't have, it's your come. Come. Come, anybody. I'm trying to read fast. And I wish we can run fast like in the movies, when they want fast forward. Come for bread. Come here. Come for bread. Here. Anyone else?
I got top.
Anyone? Come here.
Yes.
Yeah, me. Anyone who didn't have, please come forward.
Can you feel?
Come on. Don't be shy.
Thank you, Master.
Good boy. Hello.
There she is right there.
Hello. Come here. Because it's small too. Just for fun, okay?
Thank you.
Yeah, wait there, baby. Wait there. Come. I have to make another one for your wife together or she get jealous.
I'm not the jealous type, Master.
Who knows? No woman can say I'm not.
Or you can ask him.
Give it to you, to her.
Thank you, Master.
You're welcome. I had bad experiences. I'm innocent but bad experiences. Anyone else? Oh, I eat it all by myself. Da. Da. I know you don't have enough, but just too bad, okay? And we just have about enough mayonnaise for this group. More, I think not. Anyone? Anyone who doesn't have?
Oh, I already have one.
You already have it. What are you doing?
I had it already, thank you.
There you go.
Thank you.
That's good, no?
Very good.
Hungry. Also hungry time, right?
Very tasty.
Platinum. No. Anyone from here? Buddha didn't have, huh? Big Buddha. Big Buddha. Voila.
Thank you, Master.
Welcome. Welcome. Anyone else?